Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how Zeely's AI-powered ad templates can save you valuable time and effort in creating effective ads. If you've ever spent hours designing ads, you'll be glad to know Zeely makes it easy by automating much of the process. First, let's talk about the AI templates. When you open Zeely, you'll find a wide range of ad templates tailored for different platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Google, and more. These templates are designed to meet the specific requirements of each platform, such as size, format, and aspect ratio. Thanks to Zeely's AI, all you need to do is input your basic information like your product details, target audience, and goals, and the AI will generate a template that aligns with your campaign. The charm of Zeely's AI comes in how it personalizes the template for you. It analyzes your input, suggests relevant visuals, and even creates copy based on your business. Instead of spending hours brainstorming text or choosing images, Zeely does much of the heavy lifting for you. The AI also ensures that your ad content is optimized for the best engagement, so you don't have to worry about guessing what will resonate with your audience. Once Zeely generates the initial template, you can easily customize it. The template's AI-driven suggestions are just a starting point. You can tweak the ad copy, adjust the visuals, and refine the overall design to better fit your brand's identity. The best part? You don't need to be a designer to make a professional-looking ad. Zeely's AI-powered templates give you a polished result without spending too much time on it. Another major time saver is the platform's ability to adapt across different ad formats. Once your ad is created, Zeely automatically resizes it for multiple platforms. Whether you're running ads on Instagram stories, Facebook feeds, or Google search, Zeely ensures your design is perfectly optimized for each format, saving you from manually resizing and adjusting your ad each time. In short, Zeely's AI-powered templates streamline the ad creation process, saving you time while ensuring your ads are effective and professional. You can focus on your business, while Zeely handles the time-consuming design work. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.